What's up, guys? All right, this young lady right here, you might recognize her. This is Melanie, the Battle Angel Queen and CEO operator here at the San Diego Warehouse. And
we present to you
the Fleischschneider. That means butcher in German, meat cutter. So we call it that because this is probably one of the, I would say, hands down the most advanced built like quad and hamstring ISO there is, because of the way it's designed, and I'll break it down for you guys right now. We're gonna walk you through this. Essentially, it's super easy to use. It's obviously isolateral, so you load the weight plates on either side. This is really fun. Don't let it trip you out because it doesn't have any pin hardware because it doesn't need it. So the way the struts work on the seat, you guys, so don't let it trip you out. Like if you bump into it and things like that, it can pop up for you, but it's meant to. But it's easy because it does stay down when you want to sit on it. But it has a nice little receiver there. Then it just goes over the moment arm pivot to where it'll stay down super easy. So don't let that like freak you out. It's meant to do that. And then there's a nice gap here. So as Mel hops in here and demonstrates, it gives you a really deep stretch, so they're kind of tucked in, so you have an assistant handle here if you don't just like put your feet right over. So it does make it a little easier as you get started if you want to do it that way, or if you want to tuck your feet in, depending on the size of the shoes you're wearing or whatnot. So as you can see, your sit back right here, we'll come around. A big thing here, and we'll show you from the side view, is that there's a gap between the actual hip seat versus the back support pad, which is also at a 15-degree decline. The reason for that is the ergonomics of things that I, one, have never seen, so that's why I built this. And it's because the mass of the glute, right, creates anterior and exterior like pelvic rotation, and you use it as a lever because your butt is round. And so being able to kind of like allow that space, keep a neutral spine at an upright angle, gives you an extreme stretch all the way at the top of the quadricep, femoris, as well as the psoas. And so go ahead and demonstrate, let us know what you think. So as you guys can see, it has an awesome range of motion, keeping perfect tension. This is also chain driven, so it's extremely tight.
This was amazing.
Yeah.
Being able to have that lower back be on the pad and not forcing me to tilt forward.
Yeah, and depending on your height, obviously we have the support handles at the top, and then there's handles that stick straight out that you can grab if you want to hold straight down, just depending on your height and what's going to be the most comfortable. And so as you can see, and then if you can come up and hold for me. Perfect, thank you, bear with me. This is a slide shaft on both sides with a pull pin, and so you're able to slide out up to 5 different selections. So depending on your height and the length of your leg, probably only need a couple for most people, but it is nice because when you do use this, and check this out, when you do use this, you can do it upright, seated, great stretch, and you can hold onto the handles here if you want to kind of sit down into it. There you go. Exactly.
Yeah,
allow you to get like a nice target.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. And don't be afraid, this thing is heavy duty. You load all kinds of plates if you want to really hit it hard. So, thank you so much. There you go. And you are able to slide out pretty easy. Perfect. So, as you can see, that's one of the great options of the Fleischschneider. And then the newest War Machine ISO, the true lying leg extension. That's also isolateral plate loaded. It's geared down, so it has a great resistance, and it doesn't over rotate like some of these other machines. One of the biggest things with the Schnell is that this has a pretty compact footprint. I also went ahead, besides coming up with the idea of separating the two pads, allowing the mass of your glutes to have a break in between so they're not pushing your spine forward. You're not using your glutes as you go heavy to pull your body. You know what I mean? You're able to really actually focus and stretch the quad, the hip, the psoas, all that without stressing your back like a lever, like you're not pulling it like a bar. Now, the exciting part that we haven't shown is that this is also a donkey style ISO standing hamstring curl. Let me explain. Right here you have these pedals, you probably noticed. Drop the pin, they slide into place. You can either do both depending on the length of your legs or do one at a time. Would you care to show us on the right how it works? So very simple, pop the pad up so it's now facing you, so you're facing the pad and it's up against your hips, please. So you step in. As you step in, you elevate yourself and give yourself a nice stretch. The handles that are positioned right here in the front will show the side view. And the reason why this works so great is you notice this pad doesn't slide up and down her leg, and probably there's some adjustability if necessary depending on how it feels. But you elevate your legs because the ergonomic and physiological way of how the machine can do this and actually feel like great. How's that feel?
Amazing.
Yeah, right? And yeah, you're getting a stretch, and because you're doing like a donkey style, you know, you're obviously hip hinged forward, you know, and you're like hinging forward and getting a stretch. It doesn't allow you to use your whole body to pull it back, if that makes sense. And so you're able to simply alternate. And then again, depending on your height, you can keep both in front. You know, if your foot's not hitting the pedal, you're fine. But the elevation is because the radius of the thickness of your leg is going to be smaller on the back than it is extending forward. So that's why we elevate the feet, giving you a much better like placement for that angle and rotation of the range of motion. And so it works pretty sweet. And then you've got handles here. If you're a little taller, there's a lower set of handles there if you want more stretch. And you can even reach out and alternate like this. This is one of my favorites. I like to alternate my grip depending on the leg I'm using, and I feel like I get a really good stretch. The pad has the struts, so it's comfortable depending on the size of your leg. It will lean forward with you, so it's not like locked in place, pushing against you. It's not creating forward pressure, smashing your quad or your knee, you know, and how's it feel as far as comfort?
It feels amazing. The stretch, being able to be fully bent over in the donkey style is great, and having the full isolation in the hamstring.
Yeah, it's crazy. And then that stretch is awesome because you elevate your feet, and so you're able to really like lean forward. This is the finished model of the Fleischschneider, you guys. Definitely come mess with it. It is awesome. And again, switching from one to the other is super easy. And so that's probably something you'll never see on another piece of fitness equipment, because engineering at this level is it's different. It takes a little bit more physiological and fusion experience. So super awesome the way this is designed, the sprockets, the chains, all the stainless hardware, all this can be disassembled as you see. We sent the whole thing off to powder coat at Bradford here in Chula Vista. One of the best guys, Mike down there is like family. These guys do a great job. Check it out for yourselves, guys. I'm really happy with the quality and how this thing turned out and feel. And you're gonna start to see it at the Warehouse, and you just might see it on YouTube, because one of my good friends, I'm gonna be sending him his model as soon as we get the rest back from paint. So super exciting. But yeah, check out some of this reel showing us how to use it.
Perfect. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.